gosh, can I start again? No? Okay. Hi, I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods, and today we're going to be making a keto biscuit. It'll be great during these winter seasons when you want to stay warm and eat some chili. So we're going to get started. You're going to take your grated zucchini and you're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt over top and let that sit. This is going to release some of the residual water that's in the zucchini that you're going to squeeze off so that you don't have a really wet biscuit. Next, we're going to be taking our almond flour, our lupin flour. Lupin is a bean, and they've turned it into a flour. You don't want to use too much lupin flour because it's quite bitter, and it'll leave a kind of aftertaste that you won't really like. And we are also going to add some oat fiber. We've got garlic and onion powder, baking powder, and salt. Whisk that all up. Try to get rid of the super chunky bits of the almond flour. If you want to sift it first, feel free to do that. I'm kind of lazy, so I didn't. All right, we'll set that aside. Next, we're going to be taking our sour cream. I'm using a full fat sour cream. It's almost like creme fraiche. It's like 18%. It's my most favorite and super delicious. With that, we're going to add 2 eggs with our sour cream. Whisk that together. And then we're going to take melted butter. Is butter really funny? Just a little. Whisk that together. We're going to add our cheddar. We're using an extra old cheddar with a nice sharp taste. Kind of adds some depth to it, which is great. And then we're going to take our zucchini and you're going to squeeze out that extra liquid, as you can see, the best you can. And if you wanted to, not to lose the nutrients and juice of that water, you could take out some of your sour cream and add in that liquid as well, if you wanted to. All right, we're just gonna fold this together. You could also add bacon bits in here, would be delicious. Any kind of thing that you'd like to add would be good. It's quite neutral. All right, that's all folded together. And then we're gonna add our liquid. It's quite a wet batter, so don't be concerned. It bakes up really nice. And dependent on how big you want these biscuits to be, they make on average about 12. So we're gonna take our nut muffin tin, we're gonna evenly distribute it in. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited to eat one of these. I'm not gonna lie. We have all of our biscuits in the tin. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 450 for 6 to 8 minutes. Woo, this pan's really hot. It just came out of the oven. They look absolutely delicious.
They smell so good.
They smell super good. I am usually not a fan of gluten-free food. I'm gonna say that openly. And these I refuse to share with my family. So let them cool a bit, take them out, eat them when they're warm. They're super delicious, and enjoy. Thank you for joining us. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video, and we'll see you next time.